Hey there viewers, we're all human and partake in the occasional indulgences life has to offer. Unfortunately, this can lead to consequences that aren't good for your health. We're talking specifically about the buildup of toxins in your body. The good news is our bodies have a natural detoxification process, where each organ works to eliminate excess waste. There are also certain things that we can do as well to help support this. And in today's video, we'll tell you the best morning routines that can detox your body naturally. From exercising, dry brushing, taking a detox bath, drinking a smoothie to practicing yoga and more. Watch until the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Start with a glass of lemon water. Cleansing out your body is a daunting task. The intake of toxins and chemicals are so high that our body needs time to process it out. So start up your mornings with a glass of lemon water, even before breakfast. This single glass does magic to your body and flushes out all the toxins. If you choose, you can also add a few gingers into the drink to help in digestion. Squeeze a slice of fresh lemon into a glass of hot water and gulp it up the moment you crawl out of bed. What's the one habit that you can't do without in the morning? We'd love to know down below in the comments section. Number 2. Say no to caffeine. Now, that's not going to happen so easily. You can at least slip away your caffeine drinks and replace it with some green teas, lime tea, or ginger tea, which is actually a better alternative. Caffeinated drinks can affect your digestion and add up more toxins in your body. It's always better to opt for green tea, which, apart from cleansing your body, promotes weight loss and boosts up your metabolic rate. Number 3. Get a good night's sleep. Giving yourself a good night's rest is one of the best ways to detox your body and reset. Sleep has been connected to weight loss, reduced cortisol levels and stress, and improved overall health. The best part about it is it takes absolutely no effort. Just make sure the temperature of your room is cool and give yourself a 10-hour block to snooze. Quality sleep gives your body the time and space it needs to rid itself of toxins. Number 4. Exercise. Moderate exercise that gets your heart going on a daily basis helps your body detoxify. Waste is eliminated by the skin when you sweat. Exercise also stimulates the lymphatic system, which is a major part of your body's immune system. The lymph collects unwanted debris in the body such as bacteria and other harmful materials. They filter them through the lymph nodes. The lymphatic system is completely dependent on your body's movements for circulation. Morning exercise can also help keep the bowels regular. Having your elimination system working properly is crucial to a healthy body. Number 5. Try dry brushing. Dry brushing basically is brushing the skin in a particular pattern with a dry brush, usually before showering. Its main benefit is that it stimulates and moves the lymphatic system. This helps your body detoxify naturally. Remember, the lymphatic system has no pump like the cardiovascular system does. Dry brushing also exfoliates the skin, clears and cleans the pores of the skin, and increases blood flow to the body. This promotes an energetic and invigorating feeling. Doing this in the morning will help you feel very awake afterwards. Use a dry brush that has a long handle to reach your back and your feet. Number 6. Scrape your tongue. During sleep, when your body is resting, the digestive system works to detoxify itself. These toxins are deposited on the surface of the tongue via internal excretory channels. They are responsible for the coating usually seen on the tongue first thing in the morning. Scraping this off daily with a tongue scraper can help move these toxins out of your body. A tongue scraper, also called a tongue cleaner or tongue brush, is an oral hygiene device used to clean off bacteria, food debris, fungi, and dead cells from the surface of your tongue. The film that develops on it while you sleep is a good indicator of what's going on inside your body. Number 7. Take a detox bath. Taking a detox bath in the morning is an easy and gentle way to promote healthy detoxification in the body. Its benefits include flushing out built-up toxins in the body, immune system support, relaxation, and relief of sore muscles. You can simply add 2 cups of Epsom salt or apple cider vinegar to your bath and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Epsom salts are great as they contain magnesium, which many of us are deficient in. It absorbs easily through the skin into your body. Number 8. Go outside 15 or more minutes to start your day. This is such a simple thing. Go outside for 15 minutes in the morning to start your day and get some sunlight. You can walk, bike, jog, or just do sun salutes or stretch by reaching for the sky. The important thing is to let the sunlight hit your eyes and send a signal to your brain that now you're awake. This helps reset your circadian rhythms and signal to your body to wake up. A study found that bright sunlight within an hour after waking up will help you fall asleep earlier in the evening. So if you're sleep deprived or anxious, head outside within an hour of waking up to reset your body's natural clock. There's the added benefit of getting vitamin D, which your body needs to metabolize nutrients like calcium from the food you eat and boost your immune system. Number 9. Always eat breakfast. Eating breakfast will benefit your metabolism after a night of sleep. When doing a cleanse, the best thing to do is skip the bread, cereal, or any version of them at breakfast. They'll cause your body to retain more water. Instead, focus your attention on protein, which will provide satiety. An egg and salmon scramble is the perfect combo of protein and metabolism-boosting omega-3s to start your day. Or if you're on the go, opt instead for an easy, gut-healthy smoothie. Eating breakfast is important, but eating the correct foods is equally important. To know what the best breakfast foods are, watch this video titled 12 Healthiest Foods You Should Eat in the Morning. Now back to morning routines that detox your body naturally. Number 10. Try hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy encompasses a large range of approaches and methods. An easy way to incorporate hydrotherapy daily is by alternating between hot and cold water every 30 seconds in the shower. Cold water stimulates, causing blood vessels to constrict, while hot water relaxes and causes blood vessels to dilate. This alternation of hot and cold water can improve elimination, decrease inflammation, removes waste from tissues, and stimulate circulation. Number 11. Eat probiotics. Probiotics are the necessary fiber that the good bacteria in your gut needs. With the overuse of antibiotics, dental products, and several other cosmetics, your gut becomes unbalanced with good and bad bacteria. This weakens your body's detoxification system. Products like Greek yogurts or kefirs serve your detoxification process. Tomatoes, oats, bananas, and garlic are other good probiotic supplements. Number 12. Drink a smoothie. Smoothies are not only tasty but exceedingly nutritious as well. They can be made using green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. Or you can include cucumber, lettuce, beetroot, carrot, apple, banana, and strawberries to your glass for an antioxidant-rich drink. Try drinking it for breakfast to feel rejuvenated. This would support your immunity levels as well as effectively help your body detoxify. Number 13. Avoid simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrate products like pasta, white rice, and white bread, though keeps you full, doesn't contain enough nutrients that your body needs. These products are also often packed and contain toxins that get deposited into your body. So it is better to switch to high-fiber, complex carbohydrate foods such as potatoes, cereals, and legumes. These are more effective for the digestive system and flush out the toxins left by other products. Number 14. Practice yoga. Managing your stress is important to detoxify your body and mind. Along with your detox diet and strenuous exercise, practice the calming art of yoga. It's interesting that yoga poses like gas-releasing pose and planks helps in improving the digestive process, which in turn helps in weight loss as well. Yoga poses like the sun salutation calms your body and mind, releasing stress hormones and producing happy ones. Without these good hormones, toxins can never be flushed out of the body. So managing your stress by practicing yoga is a great way to clean your body. Number 15. Eat a bowl of fruits. Fruits are rich in dietary fibers. Maybe not all, but some like orange, kiwi, peach, and berries definitely are. They'll certainly cleanse your body inside and out. Fruits with their high liquid content are easy to digest and contain antioxidants. Grab a fruit bowl whenever you feel the hunger crave is crawling. Eating them in the morning makes the digestion smooth and flushes out unwanted toxins from your body. Number 16. Say no to sweet foods. So the answer to how to detox your body might not be so sweet for you. One of the best ways to detox is to cut down your sugar intake. Limit or abstain eating sweet, sugary foods. To suffice your sweet cravings, you can actually replace it with some fresh and natural fruits or dark chocolate if you can't resist. Fruits with vitamin C-rich contents boost up your metabolism and help in your digestion. While these morning habits can help detoxify you naturally, there are other things that you can do that'll keep you healthy and set a good tone for the rest of the day. Find out what we're talking about by getting to know why you should drink water on an empty stomach immediately after waking up, or doing the best morning workouts to keep you energized. These 2 videos will definitely help you avoid putting on weight. What's the maximum weight you've lost in a month? Let us know in the comment section below.